Hello, my name is Calvin Mata, and I'll be showing you how to make some shapes using CSS. And right now, I already started a little bit ahead. Made a division class called Kids Ball, and when I'm gonna make a circle. I'm gonna make a ball, and um, and I'm gonna give you some shape. So right now, what I have is this circle, kind of a oval here, and I wanna shape. So I already give a division class for this. So we have my division in my class. So I did the width and height. So what I'm gonna start is I'm gonna start with the border, these borders here. So we're gonna shape it. You see how we have different pixels here. We got 50, 20, 45, and 60. So that's why it's not a circle. They have to be all the same values. So I'm gonna do 100%. So we're gonna do 100% right when that way. So I'm gonna do bottom top 100%. Wow, done. Looking a little better. And then I'm gonna do 100% that side. And now I'm gonna do 100%. Well, that's one of the size I want. So at least I want my size. So and now I want to make it. I'm gonna round it a little bit more. So that's why here I need to round it a little bit more. My border radius. So and they all have to be the same. Here is 40%. 40 pixel per is not enough. So I'm gonna do 100 in my top left. So it went down. I'm gonna do 100 my top right. So I'm gonna do 100 in my bottom left. And then I'm gonna do 100 in my bottom right. So it's starting to look, it looks like a circle right now. So if I wanna make it a colorful circle, so I'm gonna do blue in this section. Now I'm gonna do, I think I did yellow. I'm gonna do yellow here. We're gonna do red in that one, and I'm gonna do orange. So now it's starting to look like a little bit better. So now I'm gonna do the white circle in the middle. So where it actually looks like a ball. So to do that, I created another class and another division, and I added a class. So and I'm gonna call this class. I'm gonna call it circle, and I'm gonna call it here circle. And here I got some values here. I might have to add some more. Let's start with the background color. Let's do white. I think that's what it is, white. So it's already there. I already added the width and the height. So 45 pixel width, 45 pixel width. That's kind of the size I want to use. So I think I need to make it round. Let's make it round right now. So we're gonna do border. We're gonna do border radius, and the border radius we're gonna do 50%. Usually it's kind of out sometimes. 50 pixels. As usual, just add it. Here, border radius. Let me do something here. Let me do the same thing I did here on it. Copy that, paste it here, make a circle. Okay. I don't know, sometimes that's out. It worked using just the border radius 100%, but maybe because I'm using. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna do, and now let's make a circle. So I need to have it here in the middle. So what I did, I used position relative and position absolute. Position absolute and position relative. So the position absolute is gonna let me adjust it with this bottom and left. I can actually bottom, left, right, but I'm gonna use bottom and left. So, and because it's in that side there, I'm gonna use minus 20 pixel, and then here I'm gonna use minus 20 pixel. Here we go. So that's what I did. I did a circle and a circle inside a circle, and actually, we were able to see how everything got rounded. And you can play with this. You know, you can change the colors and add a lot of more things. But I think that's what I wanted to. That's what I wanted to show you today, and I hope you learn something. Thank you.